Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. Allergy numbers not bad today, 6.4. But if you suffer from the allergies, yeah, you're like, yeah, come on, Tim, 6.4. Wait until later in the week. 10 plus on the allergy Richter scale as tree pollen continues to be the big thing. From Verona Station, a lot of clouds across the region, but we've seen some breaks in the clouds from the Utica Public Library. Those clouds have filled in, and yes, the showers like Shelby was alluding to over her back shoulder there in studio, needless to say, are coming in from the west with some heavier bursts of rain. Temperature-wise around Utica right now, as warm as 70 at Whitesboro. Otherwise, we're pretty much low and mid-60s in spots as the rain will now start to cool things off. Up at the reservoir, it's 70. Sherburne is 64, as cool as 61 up your way at Inlet. Here is the Eyewitness News Doppler radar. A few showers as you make your way across portions of Jefferson County, Lewis County, on into the northern Adirondacks. This is the main body of precipitation we're going to deal with over the next few hours. Some heavier bursts of rain right now coming on into Syracuse, as well Preble as you make your way along the I-81 corridor. Now up close to home, we make our way into southern portions of Oneida County here, over toward Verona. Showers around Camden, points south as you make your way towards Sullivan, into Cazenovia, tracking toward Hamilton along 20 and 26 there. And now getting the showers into northwestern portions of Chenango County, but look beyond Cincinnatus as you make your way toward Tully and Cortland. There are the heavier bursts of rain that continue to come on in and work their way across central portions of New York State. Now, this action is all in association with the warm front. We'll deal with it up until or just after midnight tonight. And then things, well, we'll turn the spigot off again as this area of low pressure back out in mid-country becomes a primary player now as we head through the next several days. And this is what I mean. Back close to home, the Futurecast shows how we deal with the scattered shower and thunder shower action. You can see the model guidance isn't actually handling the overall aerial coverage or the intensity of the rainfall, but it gives you the kind of the general idea. Everything tracking east and southeastward. Midnight, everything is shutting off. Some breaks in the clouds on the overnight period, and that will also continue as we head through the day on Tuesday. Partly sunny, scattered showers, a few thunder showers developing as we head through the afternoon with another surge of moisture with that low coming in from the west. Tomorrow night with showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. Then into the day on Wednesday, we deal with a scattered shower pattern again, and we leave that threat of a shower, unfortunately, in the forecast on Thursday. It has just been one of those springs in central New York State. Highs tomorrow, enjoy it with the sunshine. A lot of us well into the 70s, and then we kind of cool things off heading through Wednesday. For tonight, showers, that risk of a thunderstorm this evening diminishes around and just after midnight, down to 54. For tomorrow, up to 74 with scattered showers and a few storms during the course of the afternoon. Cooler Wednesday, damp showers, maybe a storm, mid-60s. The focus for the shower and maybe a thunder shower would be south and east on Thursday. Afternoon shower on Friday and the weekend. After this past weekend, I'm still in the doghouse with the moms. I'll be in the doghouse with everybody again because the unsettled theme continues. Shelby?
All right. Thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 6, we'll bring you the inspiring story of a first responder who sacrificed his life.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Monday night to you. Hope you had a good start to the work week. Let's get you ready for Tuesday by first leading off with the air quality forecast. And yes, into the moderate zone tomorrow. We're going to have to start getting used to this with the warmer days lying ahead. Looking ahead into the weekend, we stay in the good category once we get back there on Wednesday. In the meantime, a lot of clouds. You check out the view, the live rooftop webcam view looking to the west from the public library. Yes, a lot of clouds, at least for a lot of us. Utica points west. The shower action has come to an end. To the east, though, Newport and Schuyler at 56, 55 as you make your way back toward Waterville, 59 at Stratford. Into the heart of the Adirondacks we go, where temperatures are still running in the mid-50s here from Big Moose to Inlet. It's 58 up your way at Long Lake, 60 at Hope, back toward the Tug Hill. Osceola doing 58. Lowville at 61. All right, let's go ahead and look to the south here. Some of our additional temperatures. Norwich at 55, Oneonta at 57, Afton checking in at 52, and Cazenovia sitting at 55. All right, now we go to the radar. And you can see here a lot of green blobs of madness. The way the sensitivity of the radar is, I'm going to go ahead and step back here for a second. From portions of the Mohawk Valley, as you make your way out toward Duanesburg into Lansing and Schenectady County here, back in through a good portion of Fulton County, arcing back from Pasico back to Atwell and take that toward Inlet and Old Forge. This is the shower action that continues to push through the eastern Adirondacks and the North Country in the Champlain Valley. We look back here across central New York State and loop the data here over the last few hours. You can see how everything continues to track and slowly weaken. We will get some breaks in the clouds as this warm front will be moving on through. As we make our way through the next several hours, that means we get into the warm sector tomorrow, and some of the latest data, we did update the forecast high for tomorrow. There's actually going to be a few of us touching 80 as well tomorrow afternoon. That area of low pressure, that's the primary player the rest of the week and helping to drive moisture our way. So speaking of moisture, that departs out to the east. Some breaks in the clouds on the overnight period. Partly sunny as we head through the day on your Tuesday. Scattered showers, perhaps a thunder shower. And that action continues to roll on through as additional moisture tries to be thrown our way. So showers, maybe a little steady light rain tomorrow night into Wednesday morning before we deal with some additional showers on Wednesday. Now, forecast high temperatures tomorrow. Everybody's into the 70s. We may touch 80 as you make your way back toward Little Falls and out towards Syracuse. We make our way across our southern counties, and a lot of us will top out between 73 and 70.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And yes, unsettled as we get into the first portion of this coming weekend. Shelby.
All right, thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News, first at 10, the local pro hockey season.
Eyewitness Weather Report.
And a good Monday night to you. Allergy forecast, not too bad, relatively speaking, here over the next 24 hours. Yeah, I know, medium-high category. But I'm saying that in comparison to later this week. On the allergy Richter scale, as we hit over a 10 on Thursday, tree pollen still the major problem. The dispersion of light, yes, I know, it's a little bright, but still you see the wet roadways. As we look toward Oriskany in 12 over by the arena, temperature-wise, last check, a lot of us are in the mid-50s from Westmoreland to Whitesboro to Washington Mills on over towards Schuyler. 55 at Waterville. Over by Sylvan Beach, it's 58. Newport at 56. It's 55 at Gray. We broaden the view out. We look to the north. Otter Lake at 55. Same deal at Inlet. Sherburne at 57, as well as Norwich at 54. 57 at Oneonta, 55. Down the road from the Hall of Fame at Cooperstown. All right, here is the Eyewitness News Doppler radar. We see the action here across portions of the Mohawk Valley. On in through the northern Adirondack, Soul Forge extending toward Long Lake, a good portion of Hamilton County, across central and eastern portions of Fulton County, the eastern half of Montgomery County, and almost got all of it out of the Schoharie Valley here, basically from Schoharie up toward Duanesburg into Lansing in western portions of Schenectady County. And as we head through the next 24 hours, this warm front will continue to move to the north and east, which means yes, it's moving on through, and we are in the warm sector tomorrow. A few of us will touch 80. In the meantime, this area of low pressure here, it's the primary player now. Over the next couple of days, it's trying to throw not only cloud cover our way, but some more showers too. In fact, check out the futurecast as we head through tonight. We look for breaks in the clouds. Heading through tomorrow, breaks in the clouds should be substantial. Partly sunny. We do fire the shower and thunder shower action up in the afternoon, maybe some brief heavy downpours. That kicks out of here, and the question is tomorrow night, is it showers or more of a light rain trying to move on through. The guidance is kind of holding back now. Then as we head through the day on Wednesday, we're all into the showers with a lot of clouds, and then we try to warm things up with some sunshine again on Thursday. Forecast overnight lows tonight region-wide. A lot of us between 50 to 55 for overnight lows. Tomorrow's highs, yes, out toward Amsterdam, Dolgeville, Syracuse, touching or getting close to 80 for an afternoon high. And then we're cooler with the moisture on Wednesday. Here's your forecast for tonight. We'll look for the breaks in the clouds, an overnight low down to 55. As we go through the day on Tuesday, partly sunny. Scattered showers, a few thunder showers, and a forecast high in the afternoon, up to 77 in Utica. Rest of the extended forecast shows mostly cloudy skies, showers, maybe a storm Wednesday, 64. Any shower threat will be south and east of Utica on Thursday. An afternoon shower on Friday, early call on the weekend. Yeah, showers on Saturday, maybe lingering into Sunday. Shelby?
All right, thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 11. We'll bring you the inspiring story